Okay, there we go. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're playing Razor Floppa. Yes sir. Yes sir. Floppa Floppa. Gotta click Floppa to earn cash. Epic clicking session. Oh Jesus, he needs some food. Wait, no, hold on. We need food. We need food. We need food. You have no food. We're stupid. Oh no, yes sir. I have food, I have food. There. Just have to move. I don't know why you can't. My god, but he's pooping all over our floor. We have to clean it up. Lucas, we have to set ourselves jobs. You clean up poo? Yeah, you get the money and clean up poo, and I'll buy food and stuff. You got roommate? Okay. Nice. Bro, that sound. Alright, and I'll also do the rent. Yo. Give me rent. Bitch. But it's not due until tomorrow. Kill yourself. Floppa. Oh, we have to pet Floppa. We have to pet Floppa, I think. Yeah, pet. There. Just spam him. Don't let him move. Don't even let him move. I think he's happy enough. Yeah, he has 94% happiness. We need more food, though. Get more food. Get money. What are you doing? There, food. Yo, we're grinding up that money. Yes, sir? Oh, that's a big stack of cash. He's going to go eat. Get ready to clean up the poo, okay? I'm just following him. Clean it up. There we go. Yes, sir. Scratching post. I'm like really good at this game for some reason. What do you mean? I never did that. I don't know. It is gonna be a real struggle for us. Oh, he's using it. Insane clicking montage. Insane clicking montage. Yes, sir. There we go. We legit have $90. We're almost able to. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. Oh, what is this? Save game? Perfect. Oh, perfect. Finally. Give me some rent, bitch. Give me the rent. Stupid. What up, dude? I'm raising my guy's rent. I'm raising your rent. Fair enough, I'll double the rent. Yes, sir. Sprite. Okay. Stop! Why'd you spend all our money? We needed that. We needed the cool hat. It pluses 3% of our money. 3 plus our money. You could've. We get $2. I do not care. We need that cool hat. You know what? You're not allowed to buy anything. I'll be the one buying. You place some more food down though. You bought 3 packs of it. It is $50. It is expensive. Now go clean up that pool over there. Come on, give us enough for the cool hat. Because if we get the cool hat, then we'll be able to actually get more food easier. Yes? Oh my god. It is important. Tell me one reason it's not important. We're getting $2. That will give us 5. That will give us legit so much more. We could get this in like 5 seconds with that. There. Look at that money already. You see this? Already food. We can already buy food. We already got $100. I made it expensive. And also I don't want it. It looks weird. It says Nico made it. I hate Nico's. That would be so weird. It's $1,000 for a Nico. See, look at his cool hat. You can't say that's cool. Okay, we're just like speed running right now. Okay, I think you should let him go. I think he's hungry. Yeah, he's almost. Okay, do you have more food? Okay, good. Because I'm gonna try to save up for. Bro, what is that? Back rooms. No. You know, you go. Oh, okay, okay, I see it. Okay, you go, and I'll just continue. I'll continue in here and you just go. I don't think you die fully. I don't think this game goes like that. Thought it was a Bingus. We don't have enough money for that anyways. Yeah, I can legit see. Yeah, we didn't even have enough money for it. Yes, and look how much money I earned. But we get 1,000, I'm getting the You can't. I'm the rent man. You can't get it yet. You can. Stupid. You don't even know how to work the rent. Don't worry, don't. If you buy something, I'm gonna kill you. Oh wow, that thing is pretty. That jet is pretty. Hey baby, you wanna have a kid? Okay, so our next upgrade, let me see. The next upgrade's gonna probably be the cat bed. Oh! Oh, what the? Open door. 500? Ball of yarn? Okay, we gotta buy that instead. Never mind. We're about to buy one when we get $500. Spam that dog! We're so close. Money. Halfway there. We'll pass half. I want that ball of yarn. Ball of yarn? 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 I think you can let him go. Yep. Yeah, get out of here. Where's our ball of yarn? Yeah. I didn't know we could cook stuff. Oh. Does that give us more money? Oh, it does give us more money. Wait, never mind, it doesn't. What does it do then? I don't know. I have to check the upgrades. I forgot. We have to get this tax real quick. Give me rent. Give me. Nice. That's wild. I could never forget about my fans. I'm raising your rent. Nice. Double that shit. Now give me more money, Floppa. Hey, Floppa, I can't be your man. What? You can't. Try. No, you only get one roommate. I think each time he eats, he drops money for us. No, I'm talking about like a specialty bag. No. No, I'm getting the bed. Nope, like I said, I'm getting. Nope, I'm getting that. It's like poop fertilizer, what the hell? Floppa sword. Floppa gunner. Bigfoot jinx. There's farmers. Triaco. Greenhouse. Auto clicker 2.0. Research tech. That's where we need a time cube for that. Oh, we're obviously not gonna get it now. Okay, come on, man. We might have to make a part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna make this video like 20 minutes and then we'll make a part 2. See, I told you, he gives us like a specialty bag now. Well, you can't, I can't.
How long have we been recording?
What? Oh, 12 minutes.
We have 3 minutes and then I'm gonna have to make part 2.
Yeah, and then I have like 8 minutes. You have to put in your phone number. Stupid albino monkey. No offense to all my albino monkey fans. LRWs. Yes, sir. Gotta get our, 2 times the money. No, they can't hear you then. But will they be able to hear you? No, and nobody wants to hear a non-talkative video. Also, we have music. The Floppa noises. It's not trash. It's good. I had to now. Now give me the rent. I didn't need that. Give me a rent. Give me a rent. Yo. Give me rent. The altar's useless though. It makes us pay it for nothing. I think. I don't know. I don't know if they changed it or not. Yeah, well, we're not even gonna get that yet. I feel like we probably have to go outside. Okay, we gotta get a baby bowl now since babies might be spawning soon. Stupid Bingus. What? It's a legit thing. It's another cat. You're a stupid Bingus.
Kaden, keep him down. Keep him down, Kaden.
I feel like he's gonna be starving because he has low food. Here, let him eat first. Oh god, I'm lagging like crazy. Okay, there we go, I'm back.
Hold him down.
Come here, bitch. And you moved them! That's because you're in front of me! It's legit right there. Just come There we go, that's enough. There we go, 100%, yes sir. And then with this money, we're purchasing that and that. Oh! Stupid, we can buy it, okay. So, bread and cheese high, okay. Bread, cheese, high, cook.
Don't forget $1,000 go inside there. Set that bun cradle and see what happens.
What? I'm cooking bread.
You're burning it.
No?
You're cooking the real cheese.
Yeah. I'm not dumb.
Maybe.
Yes, sir!
How did you get that again?
It's in the shop. It gives us 110 plus happiness. Maybe that gives us more money. Oh, it does! Oh, it does! Oh, it does! Oh my god! Dad! So much money! Oh my god, that's $300 for that. Save the game. It's been 60 minutes, man. You're done for. Finally, this is gonna make life so much easier. A stupid thing. There we go. It auto collects our money so that when we click it, we don't have to run and get it. And he's gotta make it a part 2 because he sucks.
So sorry, guys.
Tommy Soga! I know you can't be talking about it. No, it has to be day. Oh my god, bro, you're so stupid. Like, holy Jesus. No, you stupid nit. Okay, I think that's, yeah, perfect.
Give me the extra press cable.
No, kill yourself. No, I think it's the N word, that's right.
I said wait, what is it my little
Oh, go get that, go get that, go get that. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Lucas, look beside you. What is that? Auto clicker? Yes, sir. We gotta get that. Clicking, clicking, clicking. To make life so much easier. There, buy it. It made a child. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna have to save up for this. Because it made a child. It's really bad. Yeah, do you not see it? Yeah. And now we just have to sit down and relax. Alrighty. Oh, I didn't even realize, but we have the pizza. Forgot about that. Anyways, guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video. We're gonna make a part 2. I'm probably gonna schedule it for tomorrow. So yeah, bye bye.